Boy, I'll tell you, we've come a long way with phones. I remember when I was younger, we had the Rotary Phones. Remember those things? Slightly faster than sending a postcard. Be like... Get to the last number and screw up. Oh! Start all over. Finally, the first touch-tone phones came out. But the first touch-tone phones were kind of expensive, right? So they came out with this phone that looked like a touch-tone but simulated a rotary. What was that? You'd be like... It's a touch-tone.